Hello, welcome back to Money Made Simple YouTube channel. Today we want to discuss about Capitec Bank loans in South Africa. All right, so they have various facilities of loans that you can actually acquire some from. So the first thing I have to do is that you have to visit their website here on this particular address, as you can see here. Okay, yes. Now when you come here, you scroll down. Okay, you scroll down. So these are some of the facilities that they have. So first of all, they have a vehicle loan. Okay, yes, they have vehicle loan. They have vehicle loan. And then they also have education loan, or what sometimes called student loan. Okay, so that is another form of loans that they also have for your educational needs, and this one for your vehicle needs, and all of that. The next loan facility that they have is the home improvement loan. Yes. So what you're going to do is that they help you to get an interest rate from prime and extended terms for home building and do it yourself project. Okay. Yes, they have such facilities also for you. They also have what they call medical loan. Okay, so you can borrow up to 500,000 for ongoing medical expenses, surgery, therapy, or to settle your hospital bills or your medical bills. Okay, called medical loan. All right. And then in all of this is how, if you want to apply, what I have to do. So there are various ways that you can apply them. You can apply using their mobile app. Okay, the Capitec mobile app. Okay, so you can get a copy here. So you get the app. So whether you are using Android or Huawei or you are using iPhone or iOS, you can get their app on this particular link. Or on this particular website, yes, this same website that you are here. Moreover, you can also call them on this particular phone number. Okay, yes, they'll be glad to help you. And the best of it all is that you can go in person to their various branches across South Africa so that you can have your loan needs sorted out for you. So these are generally some of the requirements that you must meet before you apply for it. First of all, you must be 18 years or above with a stable income. Please take note of that, with a stable income. They don't want to give their money to anybody who doesn't have a stable income. Okay, yes. So they need you to be 18 years and above with a stable income. Stable income, underline, very, very necessary. Okay, so you must be permanently employed or you earn a pension. So you earn a pension, at least every pensioner, every month they are being paid something into the account. And then you must also have a minimum salary of for credit card application. It's about 5,000 rands. Okay, yes, minimum salary for credit card application. So if you want to apply for credit card, you should have a minimum amount of 5,000 rand. So like I said earlier, you can apply through any of these avenues by WhatsApping them or calling them or using the online website or even their mobile app. And best of all, you can visit them at any of the branches across South Africa. And here are the documents that you need to submit as part of your application. So you need your original South African ID, yes, and then latest salary slip or pay slip, and of course bank statement with your latest 3 consecutive salary deposit. Okay, yes, you need some of these to be able to qualify. And of course, here are the credit rates, interest rates, and fees. Okay, yes, there are certain rates here which you can take a look at. So, once off initiation fee for credit card, for term loan, and facility. So, we have the monthly and then the actual interest rate. So, the interest rate usually for credit card ranges between 11.25% to 21.75%. And for loans ranges from 13.25% up to 28.75%. And for other facilities, from 13.5% to 21.725%. So basically, there's all the offers that they have for you. So Moreover, they also have
Oh
a
my God.
credit calculator here that can help you to estimate how much money that you'll be paying every month. That will help you to see your affordability so that you know that how much should I take and how much every month it will be taken away from your bank account as a repayment plan. Thank you very much, and I hope that this video has helped you. In case, like I said, if you want a loan from Capitec Bank, please just visit them or use the avenues that I've just mentioned. Thanks very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question or feedback, please you can leave them in the comment section below.